Today, we're going to review Kennected and hear what 50 plus real users have to say about this software before you decide to put your money into it. Let's figure out whether it's worth your money or not. Before we get into it, what even is Kennected? Kennected is a LinkedIn automation software that makes it really easy for users to get started with reaching out to their dream clients on LinkedIn. They have a software, they have an onboarding package, and they have some education to help you get the maximum out of LinkedIn as a prospecting channel. How does Kennected actually work? So they take care of the end-to-end process with things like LinkedIn profile optimization consulting. They give you an exclusive access to their lead flow mastery course, which has 80 plus training videos. They have a step-by-step LinkedIn automation tutorial and software. And of course, there's lifetime customer support and over 30 plus proven messaging scripts. Now, how does it work? The user needs to identify a list of their dream customers. Their hyper-personalization feature allows users to set up these proven cold outreach message templates on LinkedIn. Once the targeting and personalization are done, Kennected will automatically send thousands of messages to target prospects monthly. The only bottleneck is that you can only send to 100 people a week. On the Kennected response tab, once people reply to these outreach messages that you've sent, you can respond to them directly. Once you've built a relationship there, you can get on a call and finally close them. It's not that simple. That's not how it works. Let's get into the pros and cons. There's a lot of things that Kennected users actually liked. The automated prospecting is good. There was definitely an improved communication quality between them and their prospects. There's a lot of time-saving capabilities. They have a very nice Kennected video software as well, where you can record videos and send. Then the user interface is definitely user-friendly, and there's an onboarding process. Let's get deeper into all of these. Automated prospecting. Now, Kennected automates tasks like sending connection requests and follow-ups on LinkedIn, which obviously helps you grow your network on LinkedIn without spending too much time on it. This guy obviously loves it. He's left in reviews saying, "Look no further if maximizing LinkedIn-based prospecting campaigns are your focus." He loves the software. Some people have said that it's improved communication quality. They can streamline their entire outreach processes. They don't have to spend too much time, and users can have more meaningful conversations with their prospects by focusing on quality communication. A lot of people seem to like their time-saving capabilities. This guy says automated prospecting is such a time saver. The time savings are the most advantageous part of the platform. With Kennected, you're much more likely to not let prospects slip through the cracks and have consistent follow-up. It's incredibly easy to use. The tool really does pay for itself. So this guy seems to like it. Then there's the Kennected video software. It really makes it easy to do outreach in a very personalized way with personalized video marketing. Users can create very simple eye-catching video emails to make sure that you're standing out in a prospect's crowded inbox. And the software does support multiple channels of video delivery and analytics, so you can see how many people have viewed your video and how far to understand whether they're actually engaging with your content. And with features like mobile app support, animated thumbnails, video replies, unlimited storage, Kennected video definitely simplifies video marketing. A lot of people like user-friendly interface as well. It makes it very easy for them to set up these campaigns and get started without needing a multiple day course. Where does it fall short? There are 6 major disadvantages that we saw across 50 plus reviews, and these are what they are. There's a lack of customization for tailored messaging. There's inconsistent targeting, so the precision is bad for having meaningful conversations with prospects, which means you're going to talk to a lot of people who are completely irrelevant. Then there's inconsistent and unresponsive customer support that frustrates a lot of the users. There's a lack of transparency in billing process, and there's difficulties with refunds, and there's a lot of high upfront costs that do not align with the value you're getting. So let's get deeper into all of this. The first complaint is the lack of customization. Users feel as if they're given a fixed set of templates and campaigns that can't be personalized to suit different audiences and industries. Now see, if you're in any particular industry, you know how best to talk to potential customers in that industry, and it seems like Kennected makes it very hard for you to customize those messaging, and you're not going to get good results if you can't customize. Then there's definitely a lack of very specific targeting. If you're reaching out to prospects, you better have a very precisely defined ideal customer persona and set that up inside the software so that you're only talking to the right people and you're not wasting your time with people who will never become your customers. And I think Kennected makes it very hard to do that. Some of that may actually be LinkedIn Sales Navigator's fault, because a lot of Kennected users use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to set up their campaigns, but a lot of Kennected users do feel that pain because they end up talking to customers who are not a good fit for them. There's inconsistent customer support, and this is one of my biggest pet peeves. When a tool doesn't have great support, it seems like they are one of those tools that doesn't have great support. Users have often voiced frustrations about delayed responses, unresolved issues, and difficulties in getting timely assistance. This guy wasn't happy. He said it's a scam software. Poor client support, don't pay onboarding, it's a joke. There's nothing to like it here. And also my friends are not using it and no one one even bother to email or ask why they're not using it. You keep paying for it, but they're not really proactive about it and asking you what they can do better. This particular user didn't like it at all. Like, his experience is very interesting. I have been approached on LinkedIn by one of their sales reps, hopped on a call with him, wasn't sure about buying the product, so he suggested I could pay half the onboarding price to secure my spot and pay the other half when I was ready to get started. He also told me that if I ended up not wanting to buy eventually, I'd get a full refund. I ended up not wanting to buy and asked for a refund. Never used their platform, never even fully got onboarded. From that moment on, I almost never heard from them again. The only thing they told me twice was, we'll submit your request to our billing team and let you know. It's been almost 2 months. I've sent multiple emails weekly and I do not hear from them. One of the worst customer support I've ever seen. This kind of billing experience definitely leaves a bad taste in the user's mouth. It feels like, really scammed you. Then there's definitely a lack of transparency. The billing practices are definitely shady. A lot of users have reported this experience. There's unexpected charges. There's difficulties in obtaining refunds. And this lack of transparency definitely can lead to mistrust and uncertainty regarding the billing practices. Let's get deeper into the refunds issue because this is actually a big issue with them. This guy wasn't happy either. He says, rip off, did not get bonus that was promised, and customer care is in one word put, bad. This is not okay for any software. The software may be great, but if the company behind the software is out there to scam you, it's not a good experience. What do you dislike about Kennected? I was promised with the hefty fee that I would get as a bonus the annual premium LinkedIn subscription. Never got that. Even after several attempts, the consultant did not solve the issue for me. Customer care when needed it, just in one word, bad. And when I stopped the subscription, made a complaint about it to my consultant that had sold it to me, he told me he can only help me if I start up the subscription again. Not a good way of dealing with a customer that is unhappy and about to leave. Again, it really seems like they do not want to give you back your money. Long and short of it is there's a lot of high upfront costs. Kennected pricing structure has high upfront costs in onboarding and training, and that has drawn criticism from a lot of users who feel like paying for a luxury car but ending up with a standard model. So with that, we can get into the costing. How much does it cost? The basic plan will cost you a whopping $1,497 in onboarding fee plus $107 per month. For that price, you're supposed to get a one-on-one onboarding experience, LinkedIn outreach with fancy video capabilities, smart sequencing, 5 data enrichment credits, built-in chat support, access to knowledge base articles, integrations, functionality, pipeline, and the option to book a demo. But the issue is this $1,497 doesn't really seem to have a lot of value according to the users. It really feels like the most of the value is in the $107 per month, and you're not allowed to access it until you pay the onboarding fee, which becomes a problem for a lot of people. Now let's get to the advanced plan, which is even more expensive at $197 per month. There's email automations, there's 250 data enrichment credits per month, you can A/B test outreach experiences, and there's a promise of soon to be added SMS and calling features, but that's all it is right now, a promise. Now if you have a larger team, they can offer you their enterprise plan, comes with a customized pricing structure, comes with specialized onboarding, upgraded support access, dedicated account manager, and the availability of both Kennected Reach basic and advanced features, so you can even pay more. My opinion is Kennected is still a very good software. You can use it if you really want the onboarding and you want to get some help from the trainings that they have. But I feel a lot of these trainings should be given out for free, and we give them out for free, and we just charge monthly for the software. When it comes to the features, Kennected and Sales Robot pretty similar. We have email and LinkedIn at $99 per month. They have only LinkedIn at $107 per month. So we're definitely more cost effective, and we don't charge you a big upfront onboarding fee to get on the platform and then start using it. We let you get access to it right away with a free 14-day trial. And the biggest thing is we have a very liberal billing policy. We give you refunds, no questions asked. We run our business very ethically. If you're ever interested in using LinkedIn automation, definitely go out to our 14-day free trial, check it out, and let us know what you think. That's it for me now. Bye-bye.